Amazon, Kindle, KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing income report for July 2021. Okay. So this is one of my income streams, multiple income streams for my self-publishing business. But I would say this is probably my biggest one. Okay. So I want to share with you what I've got this month. Um, what you do is you just go to bookshelf reports, and they show the daily sales and whatnot. And then I go click on payments. It's going to lead to a section like this. And as you can see, if you add it all up, it'll be on the right side for what I got paid for July 2021. Today, July 29th, matter of fact. It's actually up to, there's several payments from multiple countries. So if you add it up, I don't have a calculator to be quite honest with you, but as you can see, the big picture, $6,230. I'll calculate this all up and I'll write it down in the title, but I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have a calculator. To be quite honest with you, to put this on a calculator and demonstrate to you, this will take forever, right? 6,000. I'm gonna focus on the big ones, guys, which is 6,230 plus. I would say this one. I'll just highlight it for you guys. 2,376. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick math. 85. 8,600. All right, I'm around 8,600. I'm guesstimating, guys. Sorry about that for right now. Next time I'll do better. 8,600 plus 900 right here. 86, that'll be 9,500. Okay, I'm guesstimating right now, guys. Okay, but 9,500 plus here and here will be about 20, right? 9,500. Let's add that together. 9,700, right? Okay, these two together. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, I don't want to click on it, man. 9,500, 9,500, 90. Shoot, 95. Oh, yeah, there's 141 right here. Okay, 141 right here. So there's another 200, I would say. I would say there's another 200. 9,700, okay? About 200, 27, 150. Okay, 97, 98, 50. You know what? Very close to $10,000, I would say. Okay, just shy of that or around that, I would say. But what I got in my bank account, to be honest with you, was more than 10 G's because oh yeah, I also got paid for audiobook platform ACX, which is about 950. So that crossed over the $10,000 mark. Okay, those two streams together. But mainly my mainstream income is Amazon, as you can see, and that alone comprises almost 10,000 alone. That's just the ebooks and the paperback for on Amazon only. Okay, that doesn't count for Barnes and Noble, all those other platforms. Just that's it for right now. Also project, these are payments based on 3 months ago and whatnot. This new and there's a royalties estimator KDP report that shows you stuff like that. But this is not what I got paid. This is just what is going on now. Okay, just I'm showing you some results right here. This for this month, July 1st to 29th. It's not finished yet. Okay, but in reality, what I did get paid, I got paid 9,900, something like very close to $10,000 from one stream of income. If you want to learn how to do this, how to build your own self-publishing business, whether you're a writer or not, it doesn't matter. Click the link below. Check out my online self-publishing course. I'll teach you exactly how to do that, okay, from start to finish. Number two, check out my self-publishing service and recommended resources. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.